In today's lesson, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. Our last lesson was over polynomials, what they were, how to put them in standard form, and how to find the leading coefficient. Well, let's start with adding polynomials today. To add polynomials, all we have to do is to combine their like terms. So in this first example, I have 2x squared plus 5x minus 7, and I'm going to add 3 minus 4x squared plus 6x. Well, let's start by identifying our like terms. I've done it by color here, and I've 2x squared and negative 4x squared are like terms. 5x and positive 6x are like terms, and negative 7 and 3 are like terms. So in our next step, we're just going to go ahead and combine those. So we're going to combine 2x squared plus negative 4x squared. We're going to combine 5x plus 6x. And we're going to combine negative 7 and 3. When we do that, we're going to end up with negative 2x squared plus 11x minus 4. So that's one method, and this is actually called the horizontal method because we did it just horizontally. There's another method that's referred to as the vertical method. So again, on this one, we've got 3y plus y to the third power minus 5, and we're going to add to that 4y squared minus 4y plus 2y to the third power plus 8. Well, again, let's identify our like terms. So as we look at this, we see that we have y to the third and 2y to the third are like terms. We have a 4y squared here, but we don't have one over here. We have 3y and a negative 4y, and then we have negative 5 and positive 8. Well, our next step is going to be to line them up, and I'm going to line them up according to like terms. So I've got so basically, we've written them in standard form. On this one, I've had to add a 0y squared because we didn't have a y squared here. So now we're just going to add these, combine these. Well, this is basically 1y to the third power, and this is 2y to the third power. When we combine that, we're going to get 3y to the third power. When we combine 0y squared and 4y squared, we still have 4y squared. When we combine 3y with a negative 4y, we have a negative y. When we combine negative 5 and positive 8, we get a positive 3. So our final result in this one would be 3y to the third power, 4y to the second power, minus y plus 3. Well, that's it for adding polynomials. So in our next video, we'll take a look at subtracting polynomials.